I did receive from the Exchequer 16.7 billion. That is not little money. 16.7 billion for the Inua Jamii. This time we've decided to pay them 80,000 each, 80,000 each, and then come July again, we will again pay another 8. We intended to do what we call a cleanup. We are intending to clean up our registry. We want to have exact data, and this is something I'm rolling out very soon to make sure that anybody who is vulnerable, remember this is a bottom-up government, and the bottom-up are the vulnerables. Yeah, these are the people that we are catching from the bottom, bringing them up, at least for them to live a life that is commensurate for their age. So tunatunza hii wazee, and we want to make sure that these older persons, the orphans, the severe vulnerables, at least live a decent.
Pesa hii inanisaidia kwa watoto, hata nikiona mtoto kwa shule napeleka kwa shule. Inatusaidia sana, hata ukipata njaa unaweza kula vizuri. Tunaona vizuri sana, sisi tunafurahia sana wazee. Hata wamama wako na sita, wako na njaa, wanatusaidia.
Tulikaa sana, tukasema mbona tuwezi kupata. Na tena tunaona vizuri tunapata leo tunapata. Tunashukuru sana rais wetu. Tunawashukuru watoto wetu. Muendelee kutupatia hivyo. Hata niko na watoto mama yao walikufa.